When you search for the best garage vacuum wall-mounted, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Bissell Garage Pro. Let's kick things off with the Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry vacuum. Priced at $249.99, this vacuum caught my eye with its sleek stealth metallic gray design and impressive 12-amp power. If you want a powerful tool that can tackle both wet and dry messes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 4-gallon capacity, you won't have to empty it too often, and the 32-foot hose means you can reach almost any corner of your garage without feeling tethered to a wall. Plus, it converts to a blower, which is perfect for clearing leaves or debris outside. With over 3,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many customers are raving about its versatility. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit loud, the suction power it delivers is worth it if you're looking for serious performance. If you're okay with a bit of noise for a powerful clean, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a comprehensive clean for your garage and car. Skip this one if you want something quieter or more portable. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Bissell's noise level concerns you, this next one might actually be even better for quieter operation. Product number 2, DEWALT DXVG. Next up is the DEWALT Portable 6-gallon wall-mounted garage wet-dry vacuum cleaner, priced at $155.72. This one really stood out to me with its powerful 5-horsepower motor. If you're looking for strong suction without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. With a 4.7-star rating from 827 reviews, users are impressed with its performance in tough cleaning jobs. However, some users found the assembly a bit tricky. But honestly, once it's set up, you'll appreciate how well it works. The inconvenience during setup pales in comparison to the cleaning efficiency it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a strong, reliable vacuum that can handle a variety of messes. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play setup without any fuss. This vacuum is a steal for the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability and ease of use. Product number 3, ShopVac 9,303,511. Now let's talk about the ShopVac 9,303,511, a 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum that's priced at just $52.79. This lightweight vacuum is a fantastic choice if you need something portable. If convenience and budget are your priorities, this is worth a serious look. It includes a wall mounting bracket for easy storage and a 12-foot power cord for flexibility. With a 4.4-star rating from over 740 reviews, customers appreciate its efficiency for smaller jobs. But I'll be real with you, it might struggle with larger messes due to its smaller tank. If you've got a lot of debris, this might not be your best bet. But if you're just looking for something easy to store and grab for quick jobs, it's a winner. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, portable vacuum for light cleaning. Skip this one if you have larger areas to tackle. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, our next vacuum is definitely worth your attention. Product number 4, Vacuumade GV50 Pro. Alright, let's move on to the Vacuumade GV50 Pro, priced at $439. This one stands out with its 50-foot hose, which is just impressive. If you want a vacuum that can reach every corner of your garage without hassle, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a 7-gallon capacity and a powerful motor that's designed for long-term use. The HEPA-style bag means you won't have to deal with messy canisters or filters. With a 4.6-star rating from 610 reviews, users love the convenience of its long hose and effective suction. That said, it is on the pricier side, and some might find it overkill for smaller spaces. But if you have a larger garage or workshop, this investment pays off in reduced effort and excellent cleaning performance. This is perfect for you if you want a long hose for extensive reach and hassle-free cleaning. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget or have limited space. It's a solid choice for those who want top-tier performance. Now, if the price of the Vacuum-Maid has you concerned, the next one offers a great balance of features and affordability. Product number 5, ShopVac 5-Gallon. Finally, we have the ShopVac 5-Gallon 5.5 Peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum, which goes for $169.89. This is a compact option that packs a punch. If you're looking for a balance of power and size, this one is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With dual hoses measuring 7 and 18 feet, you'll have an extensive reach for various cleaning tasks. Its 5.5 peak horsepower means it can handle bigger messes, and the wall-mounted design maximizes storage. With a 4.2-star rating from 802 reviews, users appreciate its efficient cleaning capabilities. However, some customers mention the need to keep it securely mounted to avoid tipping. But honestly, if you're aware of that and can install it right, you'll find this vacuum does an excellent job without taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you want a compact yet powerful vacuum for your garage or workshop. Skip this one if you need something that's fully portable. It's a great value for the features you get. So there you have it, the top 5 wall-mounted garage vacuums. From the powerful Bissell Garage Pro to the budget-friendly ShopVac options, each has its strengths and weaknesses. Think about your specific needs and choose the one that fits your garage cleaning routine best.